Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my set from Real Technique. This is a travel set. I got this from years and years and years ago. I made a review about this one from years ago, and I mentioned this as well, in my the Real Technique Kobe review from in a few days ago. So I'm gonna link these two reviews in the card description box down below. But for the set, the original set itself, please don't judge when you saw me in this video. Please, it was from years ago. So yeah, and I'm still in love with this set. This one was a really good investment in my brushes for me. I told you in the other video, I am a crazy person. I love brushes so much, and brushes for me is number one in the makeup. So having a good brush is just like, wow, I love brushes. So this set or Real Technique overall, I really want to try and really want to have the whole collection of the Real Technique brushes, but this one is one of my favorite. I love it, especially this one here and this one. I don't use that one that much, actually, maybe because it's the original foundation, but sometimes I use it underneath my eyes. But for blending the eyeshadow, this one is perfect, the perfect one ever to blend any color, and I love it so much. And sometimes I blend the contour on my nose. I love it. I just love it. And this one is for my blush, and sometimes I use it for powder, but mainly I use it for blush because I don't know, just the shape itself and anything and everything about this one is amazing. So yeah, it was a great investment for my money. So I love this brush so much, and it's highly recommended if you want something really good, like high-end brand or excellent brushes that will live with you forever. Of course, if you take a good care of it, of course, and always clean it in the proper way. This set is amazing for a beginner because you can use these brushes for everything, like for powder, for blushes, for highlight, for foundation, for eyeshadow, for everything. This one is amazing. I love it so much, and it's highly recommended. And of course, I wanna buy the whole brushes of Real Technique. So yeah, the only bad thing about this one, yeah, like the sticky one, the sticky part here, it was that like a velvety sensation or rubbery thing down here. But actually I made a video about how to clean it when it becomes too sticky. I'm gonna link in the cards, also in description box down below. And now it's clean. Yeah, it's shiny, but it's clean and nice, and it doesn't bother me anymore because it's perfect. So yeah, I love these brushes and highly recommended. And this is for this video, and I really hope you like it. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and other social media. All these links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. And I love you so much. Bye.